Hey, it's your guy, Alvin K, from the YouTube channel, Kick It With Alvin. What's up, y'all? What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the good old outdoors. Feel free to like, comment, and to share. I am back with another one. And in this video, this will be the first test ride of 2024. We are on the 2020 Hawk 250. Bike that I purchased off the internet, brand new. And let's see what we got here. Let's do this, y'all. I'm rolling out. Oh, wow. Yeah. Nothing like some wind therapy. Here we go, y'all. Couldn't wait to get out today. It's pretty cool right here. Central North Carolina. Temperature's pretty good here. We're in the 60, might be 60, I'm not sure. But pretty good temperature here. Just trying to get in here and get a little wind therapy in real quick. Hopefully this video comes out good. Audio, video, all that good stuff. All right, y'all, let's do this. Feels good to be out, y'all, for real though. Feels good. It feels good. I gotta be careful with these intersections. Been riding these bikes for quite a while now. Well, since a teenager, really. Got myself a paper ride when I was 12. Stacked my money. Bought my first dirt bike. So, here we are, years later. And I'm still doing it, thank goodness. Let's do this, y'all. This is a I want to say a knockoff bike of possibly of a Honda 250. Paid $1,500 for it. They delivered it to the house and all that good stuff. Driver helped me get it off the back. I put this together. It came partially assembled. I put a lot of it together. I put quite a few parts on here myself and have done some upgrades. It's just something to have a little fun on, you know, get around on. And I knew it. It's kind of chilly out. I think 70 degrees and above is a little bit better, but yeah, we're gonna make this happen. I'm sitting over here with some donated jacket, donated gloves. Woo! I'm open for donations. Let's do this, y'all. I'll just have fun on this thing, man. On my channel, I work on cars, motorcycles, houses, and my foot just got stuck on the peg. Okay, but I have another bike which is a Kawasaki Ninja 500, which is a whole lot faster than this one. But this is cool for right now, especially since it's kind of chilly out here. So I need thermal pants on out here. Because it is chilly. I feel the wind. Feels good to be out, little wind therapy. In the wind, get a few blocks in, get it out my system. Yep. But I have lots of fun on this bike. It's cool, like I say, for getting around town. I ain't gonna sit up here and say it's super fast or anything, and there goes I gotta fix those dives. I still ain't resolved the fork dives on this bike. May have to put some extra pieces in there. I'm a jack of, you can just call me a jack of all trades. DIYer is what I call myself. I like doing stuff myself as much as I can, as much as possible. I got an enjoyment, sense of enjoyment out of fixing and repairing things. And that's just what I do here. And you know, lately I've been doing cooking because I like to eat. And I've been doing some cooking shorts also. But hey, that's what I do, you know, like cooking. I like to eat. Here goes the dip. Yep. Yeah, but it's a pretty good day out here. I'm not going to complain. We haven't had any snow. We've had in Central North Carolina, we haven't had any snow. We've had cold. We've had cold. I mean cold. But I ain't complaining. I come from the Midwest, Ohio, and there you can get lots of snow. We're here, we average 10 inches of snow a season. And right now we're at February the 2nd. And we've had little snow. We might have had some flakes one night, maybe when everybody was asleep. Oh, let me hit that gear. Uh-oh, let me hit another gear. Come on, brother. But overall, it's been pretty cool. I've been here a few years now. I really enjoy it. I miss some family members that are back in Ohio, but I don't necessarily miss the weather. I've been enjoying this. It's been like a vacation right here. Oh man, yes, do it, bike, yes. You gotta really be careful out here though, seriously, because you can get your block knocked off out here. Woo! This the kid. I guess this is just part of the kid in me right here. Like I say, since about 12 years old, and I'm good and grown right now. Oh man, just wanted to get this thing out here and get a few laps in real quick. Again, this is your guy, Alvin K, from the YouTube channel, Kick It With Alvin. Peace and love as always. Let me get this thing loose to the next one. Everybody have a great one, and later.